A very good afternoon to all present here, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Tajmeen Firdous Khan of BLLB 3rd semester, standing in front of you not as a participant but as a learner of law and a dreamer of justice. The topic, the prospects and challenges of legal profession in the contemporary India, is not just about something written in our books. It is something we feel. It is something we live. It is something we will one day practice in the real world. As a law students, we all know that this profession is not an easy one. It tests our patience, our focus, our determination. We are not just learning about laws, we are learning the very meaning of life and justice. So ladies and gentlemen, as once Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, justice delay is justice denied. These words are echoing in a society today. They truly remind us that justice is not just about being fair. It is about giving justice on time. It is about accessible to all. Now, imagine lawyer of the older times standing in the crowded courtrooms with a bundle of files. Now imagine today's lawyer attending an online hearing with the use of digital tools and laptops. This is the new face of justice in India, which is fast, digital, and progressive. In my speech, I will talk about the prospects which has given us hope and the challenges too that call us for courage. When I talk about the prospects of the legal profession, one thing is clear, that the legal profession is not only limited to those bundle of dusty files and crowded courtrooms, because it has shaped into one of the most dynamic and respected career in the country. Technology has expanded the scope of legal profession. It is helping the lawyers in researching, writing documents, and managing the cases more efficiently. So another prospects like there are human rights law, public interest litigation, which is helping the lawyers to become the voice of the voiceless people. So ladies and gentlemen, as once said by Abraham Lincoln, justice for one is justice for all. A lawyer's real duty is when they stand for truth, not for money, not for fame, but for humanity and justice. Our real duty is not only to fill our pockets, but to open the doors for everyone. Because at the end, the pride of this profession lies not in winning every argument, but ensuring that no innocent voice remain unheard. So despite such opportunities, there are many challenges the legal profession is facing in today's world. One of the biggest challenge is delay in justice. We can see in the recent survey in 2025, in the Supreme Court, it was seen that there are more than 86,000 cases are pending, whereas in High Court there are more than 68,000 cases are pending, which is very problematic. We can take in the example in the case of Husainera Khatun versus State of Bihar, where many poor prisoners were kept in jail, which has violated their right of speedy trial, which is mentioned in the Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Not only this case, there are many other similar cases that shows that when justice is delayed, it loses its real meaning. So another biggest challenge is high cost of legal education and litigation's fees, which has become a very problematic for poor people to afford it. So at the end, I would like to say that the legal profession is like a coin, where one side is full of opportunities and promise, the other side is burdened with challenges. So as a law students, our aim should not be only learning about laws, we should also learn about justice and courage. So let us try to become a lawyers who live for justice and make the legal profession most respected in society. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.